Guys, good afternoon, good evening. Today,
Only been days, but it felt like months.
guys, good morning. So today I'm going to have like a maintenance vlog. I'm always busy, like I am so focused on my business. Like I don't have time to do girly things, but this year I want to change that. And yesterday I took down my braids and I want to go get my eyelash done. I want to do my nails. I want to do my hair, but my hair appointment is kind of shaky. I've not really gotten a salon that has given me a slot for today. Now in Abuja, we book for everything like we're abroad. It's tiring. Before, just go out and buy what you want to buy. But so yeah, I'm putting on this shirt from my brother. He will be so mad when he watches this because he forgot it at my place and I'm to send it to Benin. But yeah, so this thing is not right. I'm gonna see you. My boat is on the way here, so I'm going to see you when I get to Bella Beauty. That's where I'm going to do my lashes.
Will you be my leading lady? I wanna go try and get to know me.
Feet on the wall. Whose feet on the wall? So I'm going to do my lashes, and it's 4 stairs. It's on the 4th floor. I hate this part. Just that she's really good. See ya. Downstairs. Like how much they charge? I'm done with my lashes and my hair appointment is supposed to be downstairs, but oh my God. It's 2 days after the last time I vlogged where you saw me go to make my hair, and since then I've not vlogged much. I've been on one K-drama like that. So according to the title, I'm sure you saw something about me relaunching my business. So I have a thrift clothing line where, not a clothing line, it was a clothing line. I used to design clothes to sell, ROTW by stock. But then yeah, so today, let me see if I can set this camera. So today I'm going to kind of not relaunch, but I'm going to like model some pieces, and yeah, that's part of the reason why I went to make my hair and all of that. But I feel like I've neglected myself so much that I don't feel like a lady. I have this masculine energy in me. I hardly take care of myself. Like I fix my nails once in a year. I do my lashes 3-4 times a year, but I want to try and do this whole maintenance thing, because at the end of the day I'm like money, but we just end up spending money on other things because they will still keep coming up. Like problems will keep coming up. Savings will still save you someday. So I want to try my best to be that girly girl that goes to the salon, that goes to a lash tech, that books appointment, that prioritizes spa dates, massages, my gym life, and all of that. So I want to be that girl. So yeah, I am currently having two businesses, OG's Closet and Laura's Lingerie line. OG's Closet has been on since I was a student. I used to sell clothes in my hostel. If you have places to go and you don't have what to wear, just come to me. You must see something to wear. So I am going back to be that girl. Yeah, so most times I model my pieces myself if they're my size. I call models, but this time around I don't think I'll be calling models. I think I'll just try to do something. So yeah, this is my hair. I just laid it. I want to So when I left the salon, I went to get these extensions. I got a pack. I don't know how to do this, but I think I'll figure it out. I'm going to wrap it at the back of my head. So when I'm done, I'll come on here and show you. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot